Google have like tried to put their mind to like God knows how many things, and you still see the emergence of God knows how many products. Like, why isn't Slack part of the G Suite? You know, it's because they can't put their mind to that. Why does Figma exist? Because they can't put their mind to that. Like, why is Superhuman doing well? Because they can't put their mind to that. So I don't think, like, I think it's like, you know, in a case of Google, it's more like, what do they actually prioritize? And the answer is their core businesses, of which they have like 5 or 6 or 7, like YouTube, G Suite, I don't know, whatever else, search, ads, blah, 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 right? I think being first doesn't matter is another way of saying, let's say me and you have a really dope idea for a really smart take on project management, and it involves, let's say, you know, if you want to wind the clock back, let's say it involves like the idea of a metaphor of post-it notes that you can drag and drop around the place. Give it a year and everyone will have it. If it makes sense, give it a year and everyone will have it. And then what are you left with? And if what you're left with is, well, we had it first, and you start running advertising campaigns saying the original, you're kind of like, you're screwed, you know, because like no one actually cares. Like when you pick up your phone, you don't really care, is this the first touchscreen or not? Turns out it wasn't, but it doesn't matter. The question is, can you sustain your advantage? And I think if all you are is a person who had the idea, but you don't have that much passion, or you don't have that much ability or whatever, I don't think like a mediocre person with a unique idea will work.